Welcome to our video on minimalist travel. In this video, we will show you how to pack light and fully enjoy your journey. By adopting a minimalist approach, you can make your travels more enjoyable, stress-free, and flexible. Minimalist travel offers numerous benefits. By packing light, you can avoid the hassle of carrying heavy luggage, waiting in long check-in lines, and dealing with lost baggage. It also allows you to have more flexibility in your itinerary and be more open to unexpected adventures. One of the key aspects of minimalist travel is choosing the right luggage. Opt for lightweight, durable, and compact suitcases or backpacks that can fit your essentials. Consider investing in a versatile carry-on bag that meets airline requirements, allowing you to travel with just one bag. To pack light, focus on essentials only. Prioritize versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched. Pack travel-sized toiletries and limit the number of gadgets and accessories. Remember, the key is to be practical and efficient in your packing choices. Here are some tips for efficient packing. Roll your clothes instead of folding them to save space. Use packing cubes or compression bags to organize your belongings. Utilize the empty spaces in your shoes to store socks or small items. And always remember to pack only what you truly need. Minimalist travel is not just about packing light. It's about embracing a minimalistic lifestyle. It's about valuing experiences over material possessions, being present in the moment, and finding joy in simplicity. By practicing minimalist travel, you can create more meaningful and memorable journeys. As you embark on your next travel adventure, consider adopting a minimalist approach. Pack light, prioritize experiences, and savor the journey. By embracing minimalist travel, you can enhance your travel experiences and create lasting memories.